Hey everybody, once again this here is the Garage Door Man 82. I am not at my residence, I'm at a warehouse. Like 9:30. Let's go and lift this. Alright, this door obviously has got some issues. It doesn't want to stay up. No door opener, no nothing. This would be a perfect door for a jack shaft. Very noisy. Clopay. And there you go. Once again, they're D&D garage doors. Alright. You got the 7-inch stems, 2-inch tracks, cheap plastic rollers, non-bearing rollers, just the cheap L rollers, and there you go. Down there is a roll-up door, which there is no access to, but I think we'll get one of those a different time. Alright, you all take care. Once again, this here is Garage Door Man 82.